So we got the piano keys. Drive, awesome. All right, cool. Make a left here.
Mm-hmm.
Right over here.
Yep.
Awesome.
You can close the windows.
Yeah.
Stay in the right lane. My route is real simple. After this light, we're going to go up the
and
ramp,
around.
and we're going to make the right-hand
Oh,
turn
really? Okay.
after the library.
Awesome.
I'll cue you when I need to say something.
No
'Cause
problem.
everything is going to be right-hand turn at the light.
Yeah.
Second traffic light, right-hand turn, and you're going to go up the hill, down the hill, and then you're going to make a right onto the highway.
Okay. Sprayed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got it then.
Real simplified.
Okay. So now these different drive modes, you got, it was like comfort. Let's see what they were
You
again.
got 6 of them.
6 of them.
Deep conditions, slippery, 4x4 auto, normal,
Okay.
conserve, and excite.
Okay. The deep ones for like snow and stuff and all
That's
that.
correct.
Okay.
Snow, mud, sand.
You can make it right over here, I think, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can make a right on there in case you're worried. Go for it.
Awesome.
Pop is probably wondering what the fuck is that on his head?
I always get crazy looks with this. Awesome. And then you said, okay, so this one has the massage thing. How many way power seats? It was
30 way.
30. Wow, that's crazy.
30 way perfect
Crazy.
positioning seats.
And everything's controlled from here? Is it, you can
Yeah.
come do some of the stuff in the
You could do it on the screen too.
screen a little bit too?
Mm-hmm. Seats. Driver. Adjust.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's awesome.
And I got you massaging.
I can feel it. That's definitely nice. This is awesome.
Got green.
Green? Oh, okay, cool. The one little downside of this is you can't see the lights. Cool. And then this display up here, it always shows the same information that you got on here all the time.
You could change that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's through this.
You can change the information. You could change the positioning, the brightness. You can rotate that.
Oh, wow.
Or you can even shut it off.
Okay. I think it's pretty helpful. You have to keep your eyes looking everywhere all the time.
That's correct.
And make it right here.
Designed to enhance the driver's
Attentiveness.
life. I mean, it makes your life easier.
Yeah.
The main thing is you're not looking at repetitive information neither.
Yeah, very true.
If I was looking at the same info that would be on my screen.
It's right up there in front of
Yeah.
you. And it doesn't have anything, the navigation up there yet. Or you can get that in there too. Or
If I had a route that I'm going on here,
it would show up there?
yeah.
Awesome. Okay, that's good to know.
Main thing is it shows you the direction you're traveling, where you're going, the speed limit, what you're doing miles per hour.
Definitely. Right here?
Right? Yep.
Okay, cool. And you're popping over into Excite.
I'm throwing it in the Excite.
Now, what does that do? Does it change the...
That changes the dynamics of the handling of this vehicle. At more accelerated speed,
Oh, I can feel it
tightens up
already,
your
yeah.
suspension and your steering wheel because you're getting on the highway.
Yeah. And this has the TwinTurbo V6.
That's correct.
Awesome. Oh, wow. That's really responsive.
You ain't seen nothing. Punch this puppy.
Wow. Yeah, I've driven the new Escalade. Of course, it has the V8 and whatnot, but I think this is
40 horsepower more.
It feels more truck-like almost. I don't know why. It gets a little bit better fuel economy, I would think, too.
Yep. This has actually 40 horsepower more than the new Escalade.
Wow. And it's a V6.
Yep.
That's great. You get up to speed quick and you're nice and comfortable on the highway.
Yep.
Awesome. I'll make it right here.
Yep.
Does this one have the full-on like radar, cruise control, and all that stuff, or is it just?
Yeah, no, this has the adaptive
cruise control,
the collision warning system.
Okay.
So if you were getting too close to the Honda in front of you,
Yeah.
you're gonna see little headlights in your heads-up display go from the car, and then they'll start flashing in red.
Okay.
Or they'll turn from green to yellow to red.
Okay, cool. That's good to know.
This car will warn you that you're getting closing in on the guy ahead of you very rapidly.
It's always looking out for you somehow.
Yep.
And it's nice to have the cooled seats as well. That was a good feature.
Seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel.
Awesome.
20-speaker sound system.
This is the Revel audio system?
The
Okay,
Revel
cool.
2.
So this is basically, because I think a lot of people get confused with the Black Label, and they think that you need to get that to get the ultimate experience.
Nope.
And I don't think people realize that you can
Reserve
get
gives you
everything
that a Black Label will give you. The only difference
Interesting.
is the interior theme. The wheels are different.
Yeah.
That's it. And the ride.
Okay, that's actually really good to know.
And the cost.
And definitely.
Cost. You'd be 103. The most expensive Black Label I saw was 107.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. That's crazy. I remember when this came out, it had that blue, crazy interior and all that stuff.
Yeah,
and
that's
that was
the
the hype,
theme.
yacht
That's
theme.
yacht theme.
Okay.
With the crystal chroma blue.
Yeah. That's unique for sure, though.
That's my favorite theme out of all the Black Labels.
Yeah, definitely.
The destination, the chalet, I could care less for.
That blue is incredible.
The chalet is the white leather interior with the black diamond stitching, and then the destination is it's like a burgundy-ish, brownish leather. Could care less for it.
The older versus
The yacht is the more unique because your wood is all white.
Yep.
And then the leather is that grayish blue with the white piping and all the white stitching.
Definitely unique.
That's
And
very different.
these cameras work all the
360.
awesome. I'll have to have that. Helpful in parking lots too. This is the extended wheelbase too, so
That's
for
correct.
newer drivers might be helpful.
This is what I call luxury, safety, performance, all married
one.
into one, and technology.
And even without that tow haul, this one can still tow as well.
Oh, absolutely.
You don't even need to get that unless you're doing something crazy.
I could tow an 8,500-pound boat with this car right now.
More
Got
than
a class
enough.
4.5 trailer tow package on this.
More than enough.
Standard.